In a quiet town, under the bright Florida sun, a mysterious barrel appears. It's not what the folks at Big Dawg Dumpsters ordered, but they're determined to find its rightful owner. What's this? A barrel of corn syrup? Now, that's a mix-up. You see, at Big Dawg Dumpsters, we're all about keeping things clean and straightforward, no unnecessary extras, just like how some prefer their beer. So, off they go, through the streets of Port Charlotte, barrel in tow. It's a journey filled with smiles and waves, as they pass by neighbors using Big Dawg Dumpsters for their own projects, all enjoying the hassle-free service and great driveway dumpster Port Charlotte, Florida prices. At last, they reach their destination, where the barrel of corn syrup belongs. But here at Big Dawg, we like to keep things as pure and simple as the finest brews, no corn syrup required, just good, honest service at prices that make everyone in Port Charlotte smile. Whether you're clearing out, building up, or anything in between, Big Dawg Dumpsters is here to keep your project on track. Give us a call at 743-244-3294 or visit us at www.bigdawgfl.com to find out more about our driveway dumpster Port Charlotte, Florida prices. Because when it comes to cleanup, you deserve nothing but the best. Big Dawg Dumpsters, delivering the right stuff, to the right place, at the right price. No mix-ups, no fuss. Just the way you like it.